This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss Introduction to Programming in C, and the short question and answers we have covered so far were question number 1 to 24. In today's video we will discuss and start from question number 25, and the question is, what do you know about constants in C language? The answer is, constants are the values that cannot be changed during the execution of a program. For example, 5, 75.7, 1500, etc. So these are the examples of constants in C language. So more precisely, in C language there are 3 types of constants, and those are: number 1, integer constants; number 2, real constants; number 3, character constants. Next number 26. The question is, how do you explain integer constants? The answer is, these are the files. So these are the values without decimal point. For example, 7, 1256, 30100, 53553, minus 54, minus 2349, etc. It can be positive or negative. If the value is not preceded by a sign, it is considered as positive. Next number 27. The question is, differentiate between real constants and character constants. The answer is, the differences are as follows. Now we'll draw our table having 2 columns. First we will type the real constants on the left side and character constants on the right side. And about the real constants, these are the values. Including a decimal point. For example, 3.14, 15.333, 75.0, 0 minus 1575.76 minus 791.41.2345, etc. They can also be positive or negative. And about the character constants, any single small case letter, upper case letter, digit, punctuation mark, special symbol enclosed within apostrophe is considered, so these single quotes are known as apostrophe, is considered a character constant. For example, 5 enclosed in apostrophe, then 7 enclosed in apostrophe, 8 enclosed in apostrophe, and then capital X dot, so all are enclosed in apostrophe, etc. are considered as character constants. Next question, number 28. The question is, what is variable? The answer is, a variable is actually a name given to a memory location, as the data is physically stored inside the computer's memory. The value of a variable can be changed in a program. It means that in a program, if a variable contains value 5, we can give it another value that replaces the value 5. Next number 29. And the question is, how many data types of a variable are? The answer is, the data types of variable are as under. Number 1, integer, which is also represented by int keyword, and that those can be signed or unsigned. Next number 2, floating point, also represented by float, float keyword. Number 3, character and is actually represented by a keyword CHR, char. Next number 30. The question is, define integer. The answer is integer data type is used to store integer values like whole numbers, integer takes up 4 bytes of memory to declare a variable of type integer. We use the keyword int. Next number 31. Question is, what is the difference between signed integer and unsigned integer? The answer is, we will draw a table for it, viewers. Go to the home button, insert menu, and then click this one. So first we'll type the signed integer and then unsigned integer. Number 1, the signed integer can store both positive and negative values ranging from -2, 147, 483, 6482, 147, 483, 647. By default, type integer is considered as a signed integer. Now we'll discuss the unsigned integer. And unsigned integer can store only positive values and its value ranges from 0 to +4, 294, 967, 295, 2, So from 0 to +429496725, keyword unsigned integer is used to declare an unsigned integer. Next number 32. The question is, what is floating point? Very important question. The answer is float data is used to store a real number with floating point up to 6 digits of precision. To declare a variable of type float, we use the keyword float. Float uses 4 bytes of memory. Its value ranges from 3.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 38 to 3.14 into 10 raised to the power 38. Next number 33. The question is, what is the purpose of character CHAR data type? The answer is to declare character type variables in C. We use the keyword CHAR. It takes up to 1 byte of memory for storage. A variable of character type can store more one character only. Next number 34. Question is, write down the any 2 rules for naming variables. The answer is number 1. A variable name can only contain alphabets, uppercase or lowercase, digits and underscore sign. Number 2, variable name must begin with a letter or an underscore. It cannot begin with a digit, numeric digit, like 0 to 9 digits. Next number 35. The question is, what is the difference between variables and constants? We will draw a table. First we'll type the variable on the left hand side. On the right hand side we'll type constant. So a variable is actually a name given to a memory location, as the data is physically stored inside the computer's memory. The value of a variable can be changed in a program. It means that in a program, if a variable contains value 5, then later you can give it another value like that replaces the value 5. Some examples of valid variable names are height, average, weight, or underscore, because underscore can be used to start variable name or variable one, and the digit can be used on the letter name. Now we will discuss the constant. Constants are the values that cannot be changed in a program. For example, 5, 7.5, 1500, etc. in C language. There are 3 types of constants. Number 1, integer constants. Number 2, real constants. And number 3, character constants. Next number. Question is number 36. What is variable declaration? The answer is declaring variable includes specifying its data type and giving it a valid name. Following syntax can be followed to declare a variable. Data type and then variable underscore name semicolon. Next number 37. The question is, what is variable initialization? The answer is assigning value to a variable for the first time is called variable initialization. C language allows us to initialize a variable both at the time of declaration and after declaring it. Next number, last number 38. The question is, write down structure for initializing variable. The answer is, for initializing a variable at the time of declaration, we use the following general structure, and there it is. First we will type the data type and then variable name equal to value. So this is how we can initialize any variable by using this structure. First we need to type the data type of the variable, and then we need to type the variable name. Then we have to put an equal to symbol used as an assignment operator, and then we can assign any value followed by a semicolon. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our video of today, we have discussed total questions starting from number 25 and then ended at question number 38. Thanks for watching.